In my opinion, this is the best choice to make for your first Rolex. The reference 16233 was the last reference to come from the 1900s for the Datejust. It was introduced in 1988 and then discontinued around 2005. The reference 16233 came in only the classic 36mm case size, and housed inside was a robust automatic movement. The in-house caliber 3135, which was both hacking and quickset, made it the perfect movement for this watch. The reference 16233 is a classic 36mm case with a lug-to-lug of about 44.5mm. It features a sapphire crystal with a thickness of 12mm for the case and crystal. The lug width is 20mm, which means if you wanted to swap it out for a strap, you can totally do that. The reference 16233 was the two-tone version of the neo-vintage Datejust references. The reference 16234 is the all-steel fluted bezel example. The 3 at the end of the reference made it two-tone, the 4 meaning all steel, and then the 8 would be the solid gold examples for these references. You can find the reference 16233 with a variation of different dials, but this one is the classic champagne sunburst dial. You can also find them with 2 different bracelet options, Jubilee, like the one that we have here, and then the classic Oyster bracelet. Early models coming from 1988 to around 1997 would feature a tritium dial, as we can see here. The later ones would have Luminova dials and wouldn't have the T signatures at 6 o'clock to signify it would be made with tritium. Just as you would see 2 different dial variations from early to late, that goes the same for the case, with a holes case and no holes case. Early examples would feature holes for the spring bars on the case sides, and later examples would feature a smooth case side with no holes like this example. Some collectors like the holes case because it gives it a vintage feel, others like the no holes case because of the more modern feel. It doesn't value or devalue the watch in any way. It's all about preference and which you would rather choose, a holes or no holes case. Because it's neo-vintage, that means that you can actually have this pressure tested and the gaskets are good enough to be worn as a daily watch without any worries at all. The watch features a case back gasket, a crown gasket, and even a plastic gasket for the crystal itself. So if you're looking for the perfect Datejust, take a look at the reference 16233. Because it's two-tone, you can wear it with anything. And the best part is we have this one available right now in the watch shop with its original box and papers in phenomenal unpolished true condition. It'll be available in the watch shop with a handful of other amazing Rolex Datejust, Submariners, Pateks, and so many more. So make sure you go check it out.